Hello guys, welcome to Nippon Marshine. I'm Nora. Today I will introduce this product, 3-wheel cable roller. The frame is made of steel or aluminum and its roller is made of nylon or aluminum alloy. And the surface is covered with paint or galvanized. The roller can be white, yellow, black, or it also can be customized. This product is often applicable to the protection of crossover tube during the cable through construction, used to lay the cable on the ground or cable bridge, used at straight line or corner. It can be disassembled as 3 rollers, 1, 2, 3, and it also can be folded like this. We have more than one model. This one is SH130S. The total weight is 12 kilograms and the diameter is 130 millimeters. All sizes can be found in our website. Please feel free to consult, and thank you guys for watching our channel. See you next video.